Hey, let me show you how you can install SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus. So it's very simple. First of all, we'll have to find the SIM tool. You can actually find it in your box. And next we'll have to grab our smartphone, and at the bottom we can actually find SIM slot next to the USB-C port. So we have to input this SIM tool into this place, then press on it gently. And now, as you can see, this SIM tray is open. So now we can use our fingernails to open the SIM slot. Try to remove it gently. There we go. And in this smartphone we can input two SIM cards. So in my case I'm going to input only one SIM card, and that's actually the position. If you put it correctly, it's almost flat. This card is not going above this surface. So now to put it back, we have to get this gold part up to screen. So like this, just remember to get this hole on the left side and press on it. Now when the SIM card is inside, you will actually have to wait for a few seconds until you've got information that everything is fine and you've got the mobile data enabled. Also, you will get the SIM manager. It will pop up automatically, and from here you can adjust some functions for your SIM card, like for example change the SIM card for the mobile data, messages and the calls. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.